Hello, here is a quick and easy tutorial on how to loop tracks and in two different ways, and in the second way how to fade the tracks so you can get out of it. So here's a track that we want to loop, and one way to do this is down here where it says play count. You can say, oh, actually I want to play this twice instead of just once, and that means that it will play twice. The other way that you can do this is, instead of having it play twice, you can have it do an infinite loop. Like down here, in this case, it will just, once you start playing it, it will just keep playing. Well, because it's an infinite loop, you need to have a way to get out of that. And the way to get out of that is to create a fade. And so when you have the track selected, you just go up here and you choose the fade icon. And this will say fade 20. So that was the track that we were just on. We want to fade that, and you'll notice that this now has a red X, which we need to fix. And we fix that by, you have to click on the track that needs to be fixed, and it's really this level here that needs to be fixed. We just need to set the levels to -infinity. And the other thing that you want to do there is fade and stop peers over time, and that will make sure that you stop all of the tracks that are ahead of that one. So this way, when you play it, and you'll see it running over here. You hit fade and it just fades away whenever you need it to. So that way you can watch the set change and fade it when you want it to fade it, as opposed to the actors or the stage crew having to complete the set change within a very specific amount of time. So I hope that helps. Thanks, and have a great day.